This is my Porsche Boxster that I bought from the auction about 2 months ago. And since then, I have been repairing this car bit by bit. In the previous video, I have sorted the water leak that has been coming from the front of the car into the passenger seat, footwell, and as you can see, it's extremely dirty because I have been using the car on a daily basis and I have not had any issue with the water. But if you remember, if we look at the driver door, we can see also there is no water there, even though we finished the previous video with a lot of water at the driver door. In the past week, I have been working really hard to sort out this window because this window had a squeaking noise, had a water leak, and had an issue with going up and down every time you open the handle. Let's go back a week ago and I will show you exactly what I've been up to.
So right now, you're about to witness my first time removing the door card in the Porsche Boxster. And unfortunately, this will not be the last time. I'm about to have a very long week. And here is where I learned that some of the screws are missing because someone definitely been here before and definitely attempted to repair this door. So firstly, I've attempted to remove the squeaking noise by perhaps I thought it's coming from the rubbers on top. So right now you can see me putting a silicone lubricant on the top of the rubbers and wiping it. Maybe I thought maybe that what the problem would be there, the fact that it's dry, maybe old and dirty. So I'll try to use the silicone lubricant method to clean it. I'm going to use multi-purpose grease. So next I'll try to put multi-purpose grease on the hinges, and as you can see, still didn't work out. Best thing to do is hit it with WD-40. Just gonna do a bit here, here, here. I know the window, I destroyed the window, but I can just clean it. I have some cleaning products to decrease all the window. It's not a problem for me. Here, here, right here, here, and here the motor, here, and I'm gonna go all over here. Let's see if that's gonna work. Let's test it. Oh, finally. No squeaking noise. Nice and smooth. But unfortunately, and as usual, we have developed further problems. Number one, we have a leak now from the door. And number two, we have a window that is not operating properly. Let me show you. I'm going to try to open the door and look what's going to happen to the window here. It's going to drop. That's fine. And you can see here it's been dropped. But as soon as I let the handle go, it goes back up. And it's the same thing from here. So if I were to open the handle, let me show you here. See, it goes down, I let the handle go, and it goes back up. And it's the same thing, I can prove it by, if I were to turn the light on, okay, if I were to open the handle, you can hear the beeping because the car knows that the handle is open or the car is open and just remind you to turn off the lights. But when I let go with the handle, that beeping goes. So the car, by default, it thinks it's in locking position now. So I think the problem is in here. So to resolve this problem, I bought from eBay something like this. They say it's 2 years guarantee, etc. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but it's a door lock actuator. So let's see if that's going to work. I'm going to try to fit it today. And with regards to the leak, I think the membrane it needs a new seal. So I'm going to try something new. I don't have a proper seal, but I'm going to try something new. I don't know if you guys know this product, but this is a putty basically. It's like silicone seal, but silicone that does not dry, so it doesn't set, and it's waterproof, long-lasting seal. Let's see if it's going to work. We're gonna attempt to fix the leak, and we're gonna attempt to fix the window. So here we go. Now would be the second time for me to disassemble the door card again. And this time I have to remove the airbag, so I disconnect the battery as usual before removing the airbag, and you can see me removing the airbag. M8. Again, this is my first time ever to do this.
10, millimeter.
So I'm just messing around really. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest with you. So I'm just trying every screw to remove every screw, whether it's related or not. I remove the rear door handle, you know, the outside door handle. I don't know if it's necessary for me to do that or not. I thought it was, and I still think it is. Maybe there's another way around it, but I disassembled everything that I see that can be disassembled, and I put everything back. Before I put everything back, I just want to make sure that we have the correct part, of course. So I'm just comparing the part that was already in the car to the part from eBay that I bought from eBay. Next, we have to sort out the water leak. So I'm just testing the gutters or the drains. If you remember, part of the drains that we had to clean previously in the car, I'm just testing the drains again here. It's the same method, basically making sure the drains are clean by using water, hot water, or warm water I should say, and soap, and I'm just making sure it's all nice and clean. And now it's time for me to try this new material, the putty. And you know what, it was super easy for me to use, and I can confirm that it has 100% worked, and it is very sticky, just like a silicone. And now, as you can see me, I'm putting the airbag back. I have misplaced one of the screws, but I sorted it out and I put the airbag back. And then this is, maybe I thought maybe I should do it. Some of the clips on the door was damaged, and I'm just from an older project that I was doing on the Range Rover, I just found extra clips. They're not the correct clips, but I thought some of the wrong clips better than no clips because they was damaged. But actually it worked out, so I just custom made them. I cut them to size and it worked out. So I put the battery back, and now we're going to test again. So the window didn't go up and it started to rain on me, so I raised it manually and it looked like it was working, but then it stopped on working and it's not fully closing. It was a bit confusing and the rain was putting pressure on me. I thought maybe I have to take the key out. Now I'm trying to lock the car and the car is not locking, so I thought maybe I can raise the window with the fob, but no, the car was not locking and the fob wasn't allowing the window to go up. And now I'm panicking. It's raining, I can't put the window up, and I can't lock the car. At this point I thought maybe there's no battery. I tried to turn on the car, and even with the car turned on, the window doesn't go up. I sat in the car, I got my diagnostic tool out. I thought it needs reprogramming or something like that. I was very confused at this point. And you can see the rain, it started to rain on me. I thought, okay, maybe if I can use the actual key, maybe I can lock it, unlock it from outside. So I give it a try, and nothing. No lock, no unlock. Now that could be due to me not installing it properly. I wasn't too sure. It could be the device is faulty, or it could be me not installing it properly. But I was very confused. And you can't see me, but definitely I'm panicking because it started to rain badly, and I literally just sat in the car not knowing what to do, just thinking, and I was like, that's it, I need to do something about it. So I went to a petrol station nearby, had a shelter. I asked the people there, please, can I work under your shelter? Literally in the petrol station. And I noticed some of the wires were a bit weird. So I cut the wires and I bridged them using connectors and see if it works. I put the battery back, I turn on the car, see if it works, and nothing. I got back home, I waited till midnight till it stopped raining, and then I put the old lock back, and the old lock was working as it was previously. So the next morning I called Porsche and I said, do you have the part? They said yes. It was under £200. It was expensive, but I had to get it sorted. I could not raise the windows, I could not lock the car, so I just went ahead and I bought the part. I went to Porsche. It was only like 30 minutes away from me, and I got the correct parts, and this is the part here. And again, I waited for the rain to stop, and it was way after midnight, so this is why I'm filming at midnight. So right now I am just comparing the new part from Porsche to the old part, and I'm just trying to make sense of what just happened and why do I need to spend £200 to get this sorted. Is this something magical about it? What does it do? As you know, my mechanical or car knowledge is very limited, so I couldn't find anything different. So I simply started to assemble the new lock. I put the new cable on and I put it back in the car. I checked all the wires that I did with the multimeter. All the connections look okay. I connected the battery back, and then it worked! That means it's recognizing the door is open. But the window's not going up and down. Okay, ignition on. No. Okay, window goes down. Let's go up. It dropped. Let's try to close. It's not close. It went up, down. It worked. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. How long have I been working on this? For 4 days now, maybe 3 days. Oh my god. Wow. Is it actually worked? Has it actually worked? Oh my god. Oh, I can't believe this. Please take a look. Look at here. See how it drops? Actually, I'll show you here. Look at this. Drops. I open it. I let go the handle. Oh, stays down. Close the door. No. Close it. Oh my god. So as you can see now, the window is in a fully closed position, and once I open or lift the handle, look what's going to happen to the window. It's going to drop. Okay, and that's going to open nicely, and then it's going to go back up. See here? Yeah, and it's going to open nicely. And it's the same thing with the inside handle, and it stays down. So the nice thing about it is it stays down, which it didn't previously. And now it's fully sorted, no more squeaking noise, no more water leak at the bottom, and I finally have a normal door. But one of the viewers, while I was working on the car, noticed that I have an issue with the front headlights. The camera may not pick it up properly, but this headlight is a little bit damaged from here, which that can be sorted, that's not a problem. But you can see this one is clear and this one is very foggy. So I need to sort that one out, and I'm not too sure how yet, but I will do my best to perhaps polish it or sort something out with it. And I have upgraded the lights to LED, so I'm going to show you how I upgraded them to LED. And there's a problem with the bracket and the connection in the back. I'm going to sort that one out as well. So as most of my viewers already know, this is a very small channel and we're building it up little by little. We have just reached 3,000 subscribers, and I'm very, very grateful to each and every one of you. It makes me very happy to see a lot of people enjoying our content. So please, if you do like this content, make sure to join us by subscribing. There's on the bottom of the video, there's a subscription button. All you have to do is click subscribe. It's totally free. All what happens is you get a notification every time I upload a video. And with that in mind, make sure to like, comment your thoughts about the car, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's do more repairs. Bye bye.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?